Do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified of new uploads. Hello and welcome to Shilpa's cookbook. Today we are going to make bread pizza cups. Easy recipe and can be made quickly. So let's see how to make it. Here I am taking 6 to 7 white bread slices, or you can take brown bread also. Half cup of finely chopped carrots, half cup of finely chopped onions, a cup of grated cheese. You can take either mozzarella or processed cheese. I have taken processed cheese. And here I have half cup of chopped capsicum, half a cup of pizza sauce. This is homemade pizza sauce. And 1/4 cup of butter or 4 tablespoons of butter or as required. Half cup of pre-boiled sweet corn kernels. A tablespoon of pizza seasoning or mixed herbs. And here I have a tablespoon of chili flakes, a tablespoon of olive oil and salt to taste. Now here I have a frying pan and I have heated up a tablespoon of oil in it. Now I am going to add finely chopped onions into it along with finely chopped capsicum. And next I am going to add in finely chopped carrots along with this. Next I am going to add a salt to taste. A little salt is enough as pizza sauce also contains salt in it. So next I am going to add half of the Italian seasoning, that is 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning and red chili flakes. Now mix it well and cook it over low flame for at least 5 minutes so that the vegetables become little tender and masala mix into it. Now cooked vegetables are completely cooled down. Add the cooked vegetables into a mixing bowl. Now next add the sweet corn kernels. Next add in pizza sauce. You can vary the amount of the pizza sauce as per your taste, little more or little less. Next add in cheese. Just add in half of the grated cheese and reserve other half to sprinkle on top. Now mix everything well so that it gets mixed evenly. Here you can also use baby corns, mushrooms, gobi or any other vegetables which you like and which you have on hand. You can replace or substitute any other vegetables. Mix it well and keep aside. Now here in a medium sized kadai, I have taken a cup of salt and spreaded it all over evenly at the bottom, and upon it I have placed a wire stand. And now close the lid and in a slow flame preheat it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now here I have taken some small aluminium cupcake molds. Instead of these molds you can also use some small steel katoris or steel bowls which you have in kitchen. Now let us grease these molds with melted butter well. Grease all the molds and keep it aside. Now we will take a slice of bread and we are going to trim it from all the edges. Just remove all the edges from all the sides and do this similarly with all the bread slices and keep them aside. Now take a bread slice, roll it gently with a rolling pin so that it becomes a thin sheet like this. Now apply some butter on top of it. Apply generously and evenly on all the sides of the slice. Now take a mold and add buttered side down and press it and give it the shape of the mold. Press the bread inside the mold and give it the shape of the mold slowly. and gently keep removing the extra bread slices and trim the edges. Press it tightly so that it gets a nice shape of the cup. Now fill the spoonful of filling into the center and press it gently. Now add some grated cheese over the top as much as you like. Next, sprinkle some pinch of Italian seasoning on top and do similar with all other cups and make all the cups ready. Now after 15 minutes our kadai is heated up nicely. Now slowly place the prepared pizza cups into the kadai. Close the lid and on medium flame bake it for at least 10 to 15 minutes. If you are baking it in an oven, then preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and then bake the pizza cups at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes, cheese is melted nicely and our bread is also browned nicely at the edges. Now switch off the flame and take out the pizza cups on a plate. Let it cool down for at least 5 to 10 minutes and then we will demold these cups. Now after 10 minutes, pizza cups are cooled down slightly. Now with the help of the knife, loosen the edges slowly, run the knife all around the edges and now gently flip it on and tap it twice so that you can demold the cup easily. Now pizza cups are ready to be served. Serve immediately with tomato ketchup and enjoy. Please do try the recipe and comment me below how it turns out for you. If you like my recipes, please do subscribe to my channel and like and share the videos as much as possible. I will be here with yet another interesting recipe. Until then, take care and happy cooking.